everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back, and all that great stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious honey mustard salmon, even if I do say so myself, but trust me you guys, it really is delicious and super easy. So if you want to see how I make it, stick around. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on all those notifications just in case whenever I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's get cooking. So I'm using around 2.5 pounds of fresh salmon. The package that I bought only had 2 cuts, but the recipe can actually handle up to 4 or even 5 cuts of salmon if that's who you're cooking for. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just using 2. Now for the honey mustard sauce, I've already minced 3 garlic cloves, and of course I'm going to use 1/3 cup of honey. I have 2 tablespoons of Dijon smooth mustard and 3 tablespoons of whole grain mustard. I'm also going to melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and I have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And at last, I have 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and sea salt and black pepper. Now before I get to the salmon, I'm going to make the honey mustard sauce. So in a medium bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add the honey and the whole grain mustard. I really like seeing the seeds in the whole grain mustard, along with the smooth Dijon mustard. I went ahead and I melted the butter, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I minced my garlic, so that goes in the bowl as well. Lemon and seafood goes really well together, so I'm adding in the 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice along with the smoked paprika. And I'm just taking a whisk and I'm going to mix and combine everything together. So now I'm ready to take my salmon, and I'm just going to place it on half of the foil on the baking sheet, and I'll let you know why in a little bit. But before I bake it in the oven, I'm ready to pour that delicious honey mustard sauce over the salmon. It's just going to add so much flavor, you guys. It's so delicious, and like I said earlier, this recipe can handle up to 4, maybe even 5 cuts of salmon. It is really delicious. I highly recommend you guys try this. It is so good. And I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit of sea salt and black pepper on top. Now the reason I put the salmon on half the foil is because I'm going to fold it over just like this, and I'm going to seal in all the edges, making sure that no air escapes and it keeps the salmon nice and juicy. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to bake it off between 10 and 12 minutes. And after I'm done baking, I'm just going to lift the foil off the top and put it in the broiler and let it broil between 2 to 3 minutes just so that the salmon can caramelize. And we are all done. This is what it looks like. Look at all that delicious honey mustard sauce. Really takes the salmon to a whole other level. And the best part about making seafood is that it takes no time to make, and definitely eat it while it's nice and warm. But that's it, you guys. We're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know, especially if they love salmon. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below. And you know what? Let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.